Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I will teach you mathematics of grade 3. Again, we will discuss about place values. So today's our topic is 4-digit numbers and their names. Page number 9. So kids, today we will again learn about place value up to 1000 and writing number names. Let's take an example. A big number here we have example of 2366. Now let us write the numeral. First of all, you will place the values like ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Then you will write 2366, which means 2366. Well, move to next part number 3. Next one is write these numbers in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now we have 4 digits numbers, so we can represent the numbers like this. It shows. First of all, place the values like ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Then write the number under the values like 1589. So 9 ones are there in the number, 8 tens are there in the number, there are 500s in the number, and we have 1000 in the number. We can name these numbers as 1000, 500s, 8 tens, 9 ones. Now students, you can name any number up to 4 digits easily. So you will solve all the parts in same way. Move to next page, page number 9, page number 10. Well, here is our new topic. Our topic name is 5-digit numbers and their names. Here we will learn 5-digit number and their names. Let's start. So students, this is a train carrying 5 digits number coaches. The last coach has 3 windows for ones, tens and hundred numbers. Numbers in these coaches travel together. The next coach has thousands coach and has 2 windows, one for 1,000 and next for 10,000. Number of these coaches travel together. Coaches are connected together by comma. The numbers sitting in the same coach will be named together. Let's see some examples. 5-digit numbers. There are 6, 8, 7, 3, 2 will sit train. As last digit 2 will take last window, the 3 will take tens window, and 7 that take hundreds window. The number 7, 3, 2 will sit together in last coach. 8 will sit in thousands window, and number 6 will sit in 10,000s window. The number 6, 8, 7, 3, 2 will be read and write as 68,000, SIXTY 60, EIGHT 8, THOUSAND 1732 in same way. We have already learned the 5-digit number, and we know that the place to left of the thousand place is the 10,000 place. Now I have these 5,000 numbers here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we cannot read this number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we read this number or how we write the 5-digit numbers in words? What are the number names of these numbers? Let us see. We know that while naming or writing the 5-digit number in words, we divided the number into 3 parts. So this is the first part, the thousand place, and this is second part, the hundreds, and this is the third part, that tens and ones place. Taking together, the number names has 3 parts. The first part comes from the 1 in the 10,000 place. Then that is 2 comes from 1000 place. That is 3. Second part comes from the 100 place. That is 100. And the third part comes from the 10 and 1 place taken together. So 4 and 5, 45. We can name the 5-digit numbers in the similar manners. Okay, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. One more important thing, I have a home task for you. Okay, you will do practice of page number 9, question number 2 and 3. We already discussed these questions in our lecture. Next one is page number 10th and 11th. Do practice of this page. Page is question number 1, 2 and 3. You will solve these questions on your book. So best of luck. And that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.